Hello and welcome to a healthy Khmer cooking.
What are you going to cook today?
Today we're gonna cook unusual vegetable salad.
What do you need?
We have garlic, ginger, lime, salt, tomato, red onion, long bean, cucumber, bean sprout, tomato, herbs, cabbage, and soy sauce.
Marie, what do we do first?
First, we put the 4 ingredients. We put garlic, then we put ginger, and then put lime juice. Salt. This one for optional if you want to put it. I like it and put it. Then we mix it together to make it look good. And then when we finish with this one, we need to mix salad. First, we need to put cabbage. And then we put cucumber. And then we put bean sprout because it, and then long bean. Next, red onion, and next tomato. And then put tofu. Now we mix the vegetable mix together to make it really well. When we make it finish, we need to put the lime juice that we make it.
Marie, why it called unusual?
Because it have a bean sprout, cucumber, and ginger. Can have tofu too. We can replace the meat because the meat is an unhealthy food, and the tofu is a healthy food and good for your healthy. Now it mix well. So now I put the fish meat herbs. And I want to put the Thai basil herb because I like it. If you like a lot, you can put it a lot. If you want just a little bit, you can put it a little bit. Now just put it a little bit, then mix. Now it mixed well. Now it's time to serve it. I hope you make this food at home. It's easy to cook it and it's healthy for your health. And it have a lot of vitamin and protein. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye and